Hello, pioneers across the globe, wherever you are watching me from. Welcome to InfoDem. I am happy to bring you another update about Pi Network, and this time around, this update is beneficial to all. If you have been struggling with your KYC and you have not migrated your Pi to your wallet, if you have not gotten a single Pi in your wallet, this update is for you. If you have not done your KYC, you are still waiting, I will advise you will definitely do your KYC. So while waiting, this update is for you, because with this update you will get Pi in your wallet. You are going to have Pi coin in your wallet. That is why it is very important that you subscribe to this channel. If you are watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, share this video, like this video, because this is where you will be getting all the latest information and update about Pi and other cryptocurrencies. So the update is about the Pinetbook. Pinetbook is like a Facebook. It's one of the application by Pi. It's one of the application by Pi. It's like Facebook. So all you need to do is to sign up on Pinetbook. And how do you do that? Check the description box below and follow the link there. Just click the link. So all you need to do is to click the link at the description button or the description box. It will take you straight here. As you can see, I just sign up. As you can see, this is what you are seeing here in this wallet. I've not gotten any Pi yet, but all you need to do when you have signed up is to then you finish all this general setting. You have to fill it, your name, your address, your phone number, where you work, and also you will need to copy your wallet address and put it here so that the money can drop into your wallet directly as soon as you make a withdrawal. My profile setting, this is where you put your Pi wallet address, the public key. This is where you put it under the profile setting. And how do you do this? You go to your Pi browser. So once your Pi browser has opened, you click your wallet, then you log in into your wallet. So if you have done that, here you click receive. You click receive, then you copy the public address, the public key. You copy it. This is what you will use on the Pinetbook. Then you go back to the Pinetbook. As you can see, you go to profile setting. You see my name. You can write about yourself, your location, marriage status, work at, and the rest of them. Then you come to where Pi wallet address is here. You click it and you paste it. If you have done that, you save it. Now all you need to do in this social media is to engage, is to continue to be active here. If you have 10,000 points, it will earn you 1 Pi. If you react to any post, one reaction will give you 5 points. So you can react to any post as depending on how you want it. Then if you post anything, one post will earn you 2 points. So it is the accumulation of this point that will give you your Pi. And if you have gotten enough Pi, it will show here. As you can see, I only have 30 points here. Then if I want to withdraw, assuming I've gotten enough points that I want to withdraw to my wallet. All I need to do is to click here where you see 0.00 pi. I'll click it, then my current balance will show here. Then I can now withdraw my money. I'll just click withdraw, and before you know it, it will land in your Trust Wallet. So this is another great way of earning Pi, or of having Pi in your wallet. And also I want you to engage in this social media, because this is where everybody will be coming. So it's better you are here early enough and you begin to tap all the benefit in this platform. So I want to say congratulations to you if you have gotten to this point, and also I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video. Until I see you in my next video, I say be good.